Welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang! This is easy and tasty Korean cooking channel and I'm Eugene. Today's main ingredient is 애호박, which is green zucchini. I will make some Jeon with 애호박, which is zucchini pancake. Also, all the ingredients are in the description box of this video, so you can buy from online and you can see what it is. My cooking is always easy to follow and everyone can make it. I guess let's start.
Oh, yeah!
I hope you all enjoyed my video, and if you have any questions you can just reply on this video, okay? So I think this is it for today. I hope you try to make it and it turned out great. See you next time. press the like button before you go and subscribe me for the next video. Okay, bye. Thank you. See you next time.